What up, YouTube? Bringing on an unboxing of a monster of a phone, the LG Optimus G from AT&T. The box is pretty simple. Got the logo right there, and the phone at the top. Let's get into it. Texting and driving, it can wait. I agree with that. Don't wait until something happens to you to realize that can wait. See what else comes in a box. Basically nothing, just a bunch of quick startup guides, and you have your get apps for new phones and all this whatever. For product safety warranty information. Boring. You got your adapter, charging cable. You have your micro USB. Sad enough, there's no headphones in this. And once you start paying over $200 or over $99 for a product, you wanna be able to get some headphones. This is the phone. Let me see what I have in handy that I can compare it to. Got the HTC One X, the international version. Basically around the same size. It's definitely, it feels solid in the hand. Some nice build quality. Feels a little heavy, but solid. Most of these new phones are coming out, they're very light. So the HTC One X is lighter than it. The Galaxy S3 is definitely lighter than it because I know. I have the Galaxy S3 in my other hand. But let's get to peeling this paper off. Let's see how this is done. There we go. Let's see. They say never keep this on your screen because it'll start to leave in this wording. I have a little cold, so you're gonna have to excuse my voice. Sound a little terrible. Let's get these papers up. When you look at the back, it looks like it has that textured, like snake skin type of stuff. You can only see that with your eyes, but when you feel it, it's glass. So I would have liked to feel that textured in the back instead of having glass in the back. I don't care for glass in the back. That's definitely shows that it'll break. Let's boot up the phone. Hopefully we got some charge. Yeah, there we go. I must say, this attracts fingerprints right away as soon as you pick it up. I don't want to start none of this up. I just want to get in the phone. Right off the back, I can tell you that this phone is lightning fast. Lightning fast. Off the back, it seems faster than Galaxy S3. I'm sorry to say this, Samsung fans, which I am one of them. But this definitely is not a joke. Let's see if we can set up our Google account. Excuse me for a second. Have to connect to Wi-Fi real quick. Set up my Google account now. Almost done here. I must say this display is very amazing. I'll bring y'all a comparison between it and the Galaxy S3. Afterwards, but this was a quick unboxing, first look. At the Optimus G. Subscribe, comment, like, please. It helps keep these videos going. And tell me what phone you're gonna be getting, and I'll be back with my impressions on this and give my opinion on how serious this phone is. By the way, before we even finish up this video, let's do a quick speed test because I've just I've heard that this phone is blazing fast, and it is faster than the Galaxy S3 international one and the US one, and is faster than the Galaxy Note that really isn't even out yet for AT&T, but it's out for Sprint and T-Mobile. This is the Optimus G. It has the Qualcomm Pro processor, the Snapdragon Pro processor, the Quadcore. Even though the dual core was already keeping up with the other quad cores that was out, like the Tegra 3, the HTC One X came out with the Tegra 3 International. When it came to America, they took the Qualcomm dual core because of the Wi-Fi. I mean the 4G LTE wasn't compatible with it. And Samsung took the X and O's out of the Galaxy S3 and put in the Qualcomm dual core for the LTE. But this has the Qualcomm latest Snapdragon, the latest S4 processor, which is a quad core. The dual core was keeping up with other quad cores. Now this quad core, I think, is the top of the line. It's beating the rest of them. And if you can see that, it scores a 7556 on Quadrant, which is faster than anything out there right now. So that was a quick unboxing. Like, subscribe, like I said, and peace.